When a guy looks down at your body, 8 things it means. Have you ever experienced a moment when you observed a guy directing his gaze toward your body and found yourself pondering, what thoughts are running through his mind? You're certainly not alone. Many of us have encountered such situations, where we endeavor to interpret the significance of a man's lingering glance. This phenomenon occurs because human communication encompasses a multitude of forms, extending beyond mere verbal dialogue to include gestures, facial expressions, and even the path of their gaze. So, what's the underlying significance when a guy looks in the direction of your body? Is he assessing you? Is he expressing interest in you? Or is it possible that he's simply lost in thought and unaware of where his gaze has wandered? The responses to these questions can be as varied as the individuals involved in these scenarios. In this video, we'll delve into 8 potential interpretations for why a guy might direct his attention towards your body. 1. Appreciation for beauty. Every individual possesses a distinctive visual allure, and when it captures someone's attention, they often express it through their gaze. This admiration could encompass your personal style, your overall aura, or even the way you carry yourself. Much like how we admire the beauty of a breathtaking sunset or a captivating work of art, people also appreciate the attractiveness they observe in one another. It's important to note that this appreciation need not always carry romantic or sexual connotations. At times, it's merely an instinctive reaction to something visually pleasing. Consequently, when you notice someone's gaze directed towards you, it might signify their recognition of your appeal. While some individuals feel at ease with this form of silent admiration, others may not share the same level of comfort. Both perspectives are entirely valid. It's crucial to establish your own boundaries regarding such situations and express them when necessary. 2. Reading your body language. When someone's eyes appear to be scanning you, it's possible they're attempting to decipher your body language. While it's often said that the eyes are windows to the soul, the truth is, our entire body communicates in subtle ways. Our postures, gestures, and expressions have the capacity to reveal a great deal about our emotions, often more than words alone can convey. Consider a scenario in which you find yourself engaged in a group conversation, and one individual's gaze consistently centers not only on your face but also on your hands and your overall posture. What might this signify? Such behavior could indicate their endeavor to gain deeper insights into your nonverbal cues. They may be interested in understanding your emotional state, your reactions to the ongoing conversation, or your level of engagement. This phenomenon is not uncommon in professional settings, where people closely scrutinize body language for enhanced comprehension. However, this practice also occurs regularly in personal interactions. Individuals who possess empathy or emotional intelligence frequently rely on body language as a means of assessing the emotions of others and responding in a thoughtful manner. 3. Attraction. Certainly, one of the underlying factors prompting a man to cast a gaze upon your body may indeed be his attraction to you. Attraction, a multifaceted blend of physical and psychological reactions, frequently commences with visual triggers. Have you ever experienced a scenario in which a friend's eyes repeatedly drift towards your body, even during a relaxed conversation? This behavior might signify a form of physical attraction. The human mind has an innate inclination to gravitate towards objects it deems visually appealing, and this inclination often becomes evident through the eyes. 4. Discomfort or anxiety. It's frequently overlooked that body language has the capacity to convey feelings of unease or anxiety. Some men may direct their gaze towards your body because they are uncomfortable maintaining eye contact. This discomfort may stem from shyness or a perception that direct eye contact is too overwhelming, with averted gaze serving as a way to alleviate their anxiety. You've likely observed this phenomenon in social situations characterized by high pressure, where an individual avoids sustained eye contact and, instead, allows their gaze to wander, occasionally settling on your body. Importantly, this behavior does not inherently signify anything beyond their endeavor to manage their discomfort or nervousness. It's worth noting that this conduct can occasionally be misconstrued as disinterest or disrespect. Nevertheless, a comprehensive understanding of the subtleties of body language can assist in more accurately interpreting these nonverbal cues. 5. Dominance or power play. Body language can also serve as a means of establishing dominance or control. When a guy directs his gaze towards your body, particularly in a manner that causes discomfort, it could be an attempt to assert dominance or manipulate the situation. This behavior is frequently observed in professional settings or scenarios where an individual seeks to exercise their authority. Consider, for instance, those times when you've been in a meeting and someone consistently singles you out with unwarranted attention. This might not be rooted in attraction or genuine admiration, but rather stems from power dynamics. The objective might be to disconcert you or establish dominance within the conversation. In such cases, it is of paramount importance to stand up for yourself. If someone's conduct makes you uneasy, do not hesitate to vocalize your feelings and establish clear boundaries. 6. Curiosity. Have you ever observed how a child's eyes tend to wander when they're captivated by something intriguing? Well, adults aren't all that different. When someone's gaze shifts towards your body, it might simply be a manifestation of their curiosity. Perhaps you're sporting a distinctive piece of jewelry, a fresh ensemble, or a unique accessory that has piqued their interest. It's important to remember that our eyes instinctively gravitate toward novelty and distinctiveness. It's the way we navigate and explore the world that surrounds us. So, when a guide takes a moment to assess your attire or the book you're holding, it's often a reflection of curiosity in motion. Acknowledging this perspective enables us to better interpret such situations. It emphasizes that these instances may not always center on us as individuals but rather on the intriguing elements in our immediate vicinity. 7. Lack of awareness. Not everyone who directs their gaze towards your body does so with a deliberate intent. On occasion, it can be an outcome of becoming absorbed in thought or simply losing awareness of their own gaze. We all encounter moments when our eyes fixate on a point, while our thoughts are elsewhere, miles away. For instance, picture yourself engaged in a conversation with someone, and it appears as if they are staring at your body. Instead of hastily forming assumptions, it's worthwhile to consider that their focus might be the result of their wandering thoughts, and they may not be fully conscious of where their gaze has settled. Misinterpretations of such situations can occur with ease. However, extending the benefit of the doubt and acknowledging that not all actions are necessarily deliberate can prove instrumental in preventing unnecessary misunderstandings. 8. Interest in detail. Certain individuals possess an innate inclination to be exceptionally observant and detail-focused. They meticulously notice everything in their surroundings, including the intricate aspects of people's appearances. Have you ever encountered someone who frequently remarks on subtle alterations in your appearance or can recall what you wore to an event several weeks back? Chances are, they exhibit a strong sense of being detail-oriented. When they direct their attention towards your body, their intention isn't to objectify you, rather, it's an expression of their meticulous observation of the finer nuances. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.